So in this video, we're going to talk about another affiliate network that has thousands of digital products which you can promote and earn commissions online. And this can be an alternative to the first network which we talked about, is called Clickbank. So for any reason, if you can't promote Clickbank products, your country is not listed, you're not approved as an affiliate, you could come to Digistore24.com, register your free account. It's absolutely free. If you just go to Digistore24.com, create your free account, go through all the settings like I explained in my previous videos with other networks, and then you just go to the marketplace, which is just down here, and start choosing a product. The product layout, the commission layout is quite similar to Clickbank. Not exactly, because they do have a lot of high ticket products on this network where you can earn up to $1,000 in commissions for every sale you generate. But it is a good network as an alternative to Clickbank, because a lot of people are complaining they don't get approved on Clickbank, the country is not listed, because Clickbank has become very, very strict. So in that case, you could come to Digistore24.com and promote products using this network. Now, once you have logged in to your Digistore24.com account, you just want to go to the marketplace, and you're going to find all different type of products down here. So you could see here, digital products, events and seminars, services, shipping products. Okay, so they do physical products as well. All right. And then you could select the language as well. So most of the products are in English, but you could see we can't find any products. So basically all the products are in English. Okay. And then you can scroll down according to commission type, product price, cart conversions, earning per visitor, whitelist, etc. So you could spill out the product, what type of products you want to promote. We're gonna look into two type of products down here. One is going to be the digital products, and the second product is going to be shipping products, which might be the physical products. So let's just go into the digital products, then you could see how many products each category has. So animal and pets, so you're not going to find this category in Clickbank, but they do have products related to animal and pets. For instance, a product related to dog training, etc. So but they don't have a special category which is named as animal and pets. Betting system, business investment, dancing and music, they don't have this. Clickbank don't have this. Okay, they might have products related to dancing and music, but they don't have any kind of categories which has this name. So we're just going to choose one of the products which normally I am interested in, and which has the most competition. So you can see here, okay, if you go to business investment, it has 153 products. Education has 112 products. Health and fitness has 169 products, one of the most competing niche that has a lot of money to be made. And online marketing and e-business has 159 products. So I'm going to click on online marketing and e-business. Now you need to understand, when it comes to Digistore24, not always you are approved to promote a product. Some of the products you're going to be approved, but for some of the product you will have to request approval. Vice versa, when it comes to Clickbank, for Clickbank you are 99% approved for the product. You don't have to request approval. So there's a bit of difference between Digistore24 and Clickbank. With Digistore24, some of the product you might have to request approval. So if I come here, you could see here, the first product that I could see is the AZ code, paying me $38.08. If I want to promote this product, just click on the promote button, and they're going to give me my affiliate link down here. If you look at this, this is going to be my Digistore24 affiliate nickname and username that I use to log into my account. It's just similar to Clickbank. So if I drive traffic and someone purchases this product, I'm going to make commissions. How much commission are they paying me? They're paying me 60% commission. When was it launched? It's launched 2 years ago. right, you might want to check the sales page first to make sure that the product is available. And if you're looking for tools and resources to promote this product, like banners, email swipes, ad copy, etc., you could go to the affiliate support page to see what they allow and what they don't allow. If I just click on this, it gives me more information, right? So you can see here, welcome affiliates make up to $199 per sale on this hot new Digistore24 launch that's set to convert like crazy. Okay, this is probably with the upsells he's talking about. So you could see here, it's giving me more information on commission, earning per sale, vendor, online sync, payment method, cart conversion 40, the cancellation rate is 38.53%. Okay, this is a lot. So this doesn't look good to me, okay? Alright, so let's just go back. Here's another product you can promote. So let's just sort the products out based on, let's see, this is popularity, this is, let's do earning per sale. Okay, so I could see here there's one product down here that was launched just a couple of months ago, right? Product price is $1,642. It's called the Internet Millionaires. Quite interesting. 50% commissions, which means I will get paid up to $812.89. Alright. And cancellation rate is 13%, not bad. So if I just want to promote this product, first you have to check the sales page. So let's just check the sales page here. Okay. Just making sure that it's still available, this product. Alright, how to make $3,000 plus per day with digital products. Okay, I know this guy very, very well. Okay, in fact, I've been to one of his seminars in London. Okay, so what is this all about? How to make $3,000 per day with digital products. How from McDonald's worker to millionaire online in 30 days. Okay, not bad. So just click on this, what comes up? Yep, it's a webinar. This is how they convert the high ticket products. Okay, so not looking bad. Okay, if I just want to promote this product, it's very simple. If I just go here and click on the promote button, copy promo link, has been copied. If I come here, there you go, it's going to look something like this. Okay, and then let me just see what this video is all about. Okay, this guy is Stack Chaudhary.
Ever watched someone make millions with a product launch and thought, how the heck do they do that? Or, I wish that was me. Yeah, you might have seen me pull it off.
Okay. So this is a high ticket product, okay? So we just selected earning per sale, so it spills out all the high ticket products, then it starts going down. Here's another product all about cryptocurrency. Not interested, I'm not interested in cryptocurrency. Freedom Breakthrough members area. Let's just check this out. It's a 2-year-old product. Okay. Alright, so this guy, I know this guy as well. Alright, total price $2,500. Fast action price $1,000. I don't know what this is all about. Okay, so not bad. Okay. If I just go here and it gives me more information, so I want to see, okay, cancellation rate, shares of returns and chargebacks, 23.16%. That's not looking good, is it? Okay, so single payment and earning, your average earning per order from visitor is 44 cents. That's not even good. Okay, so the conversion rate, you have to, the conversion rate and the refund rate, these are the two things you need to combine when it comes to choosing a high ticket product with Digistore24 especially. So if I come here and if I just select the first one, Internet Millionaire, look at this. Okay, your average earnings per order from visitor is like 2 cents when it's a high ticket product, which means if you earn commissions, you're going to earn commissions up to $1,642.14. So the average earning should be higher. per order. If it's just 2 cents, okay, per order from the visitor, that just means that the conversion of this product is extremely low, right? And remember one rule when it comes to high ticket product, you have to drive a lot of traffic to get that conversion, right? It's not something that's just gonna come. When it comes to low ticket product, you just promote the product, drive a couple of visitors, and you could make a sale. Okay, so this is how you choose your products when it comes to Digistore24 high ticket offers. Here's another one. I guess this is on Clickbank as well. Let me see the sales page. Passive income system. I think I've seen this. Alright, there you go. I just clicked on the sales page and it's not even available. So that's why you have to check the sales page. Making sure that you're not promoting something. Products, serenity, cryptocurrency. Alright, so let's just look at some other products down here, okay? So I'm going to go to shipping products. Okay, food supplements. Let's just click on the sales page. Alright, so this is looking good to me so far. So you see here, this is a product that if you promote, the purchase gets a shipment. Alright, as opposed to shipment, okay? If I click on this, let's just check some things out. So you can see here, earning cart per visitor is $13. Very, very good. Okay, cart conversion is 7%. Okay, visitor who open the order for one and make a purchase. 7%. It's got some good high conversion rate. All right, $154 per sale, $147 per sale. So you get the idea. This is a network, Digistore24 alternative to Clickbank. You can promote low ticket products, high ticket products, digital products, and physical products. They have so many options down here. Like I said, the rule is the same. Whichever product you promote, make sure you create a landing page around that product to build a list of subscribers, capture their email addresses so you can communicate with those people. You could send emails out to those people, build a relationship, provide value with free training, free tutorials, and then also promote different products. So for instance, if someone does a purchase one product, you can promote something else that they might be interested in and purchasing that product. Okay, so that's all for now, and I will see you in the next video.